prodigal child, to your father. Why feed on the mountain so bare? I am waiting, why stay any longer? There's bread enough and spare. Come home, come home. Though weary and tired you roam, come home, come home. Oh, prodigal child, come home. Come, prodigal child, there is danger of staying away too long. Oh, stop where you are and remember, you've gone from the right to wrong. Come home, come home. Though weary and tired you roam, come home, come home. Oh, prodigal child, come home. Come, prodigal child, do not tarry. Why perish with hunger and cold? Though fearful and wretched and weare, the Father said,